Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Take Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add extra member on Netflix. There are a few ways to add extra members to your Netflix account, so let's go ahead and get to them one by one. First of all, go ahead and open up a web browser and make sure you sign into your Netflix account. Type in netflix.com in the URL box and log in. After you are signed in, go ahead and click on your profile avatar at the top right and click on Manage Profile. Netflix offers a family plan that allows up to 5 profiles. If you are trying to add more members to the account, you will need to switch the family plan. Go ahead and get to the main home page of your Netflix. Mouse over to your avatar at the top right and click on Account. Under the Account page, select the Manage Membership button. After clicking on Manage Membership, go ahead and click on the Change Plan option. Under Change Plan, you will be able to see a list of plans that you can choose from. If you choose the basic plan, then you will be able to use Netflix on only one device. Similarly, if you choose Standard, you will be able to use Netflix ad-free in a great video quality for 2 devices. If you want to add more profiles and extra members to your Netflix account, then make sure you choose the premium plan. With the premium plan, you will be able to get the best video quality in Ultra HD and HDR, watch ad-free on any phone, tablet, computer or TV, and download on 6 devices. Once you choose the 6 devices option and choose this particular plan, you can go ahead and add more profile to your Netflix account. If you have the family plan, you can always create a new profile from this Who's Watching page. Simply click on Add Profile option if available and enter the profile details for the person that you want to add on your Netflix. So that is how you can easily add extra members on Netflix. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.